Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Melissa. If you are returning, welcome back. I miss you, I love you, and I'm so happy we are hanging out again. So I just got back from vacation. As you can see, I'm all tanned. I have this bead in my hair, this cute inner child bead. And yeah, I had a great time. I saw flamingos, I saw the ocean, but I ate at restaurants every single day, so I'm feeling a little bit tired, not my usual like super high energy self. So I'm gonna make a super nutritious breakfast, and I love you guys, so we're gonna do it together and I'm gonna show you what it is. So without further ado, let's get started. Yay, okay, hello. Okay, so we're gonna make a super yummy smoothie bowl for breakfast. And then I'm also gonna have freshly squeezed oranges. It's gonna be amazing, you'll see. Okay, so for this smoothie bowl, I always start with frozen berries or whatever fruit you want. I always start with frozen because I find it makes it just thicker. Even though it's not that great to eat super cold things, for a smoothie bowl, frozen is key. So these are the frozen fruits I buy. I got the best compliment recently where someone was like, you make raw vegan easy and cheap. This is a way of making it pretty cheap because these are from Costco and I mean they last for pretty long. So yeah, I start with these frozen fruits. They come in little packs, so I already have one kind of open. So it's blackberries, strawberries, and blueberries. So I like strawberries. I like strawberries a lot because they balance your root chakra, and then the blueberries are great for your throat chakra, and then the blackberries are great for your third eye. So I like how with these fruits I'm kind of, you know, getting 3 different chakras at once. I love that. Okay, so next I'm gonna put some sea moss. Okay, so usually if you watch my videos I put sea moss gel. I just got back from vacation, so I don't have sea moss gel yet. But so like you can also just soak your sea moss the day before for 12 hours, which I did last night, and then rinse it really, really well. And then you could kind of just throw the sea moss in there instead of making the gel. The gel is easier to use, but this is an alternative. I'll show you how it looks because I think it looks so cool. It's like a gooey, awesome seaweed looking thing. Okay. Okay, so next I put my sea moss. Okay. So next I put coconut oil, coconut water. So it just gives it a nice fresh taste, and then it's also super great because it's loaded with potassium. So I love coconut water. I used to put almond milk, but I actually prefer coconut water, and it's a lot better for you, and it just tastes more natural to me. So yeah, coconut water for the base. Okay, next I put 3 tablespoons of hemp hearts. So I also get my hemp hearts at Costco. I'm really big on like bulk shopping because I mean it's like something I know I'm gonna finish and it doesn't really expire soon. And you just get so much more of all the healthy stuff when you bulk shop. So 3 tablespoons. Okay, so I'm in the mood for chocolate right now, so I'm gonna put 2 things to make it chocolatey. So the first one is my Iron Vegan protein powder, and then the second thing is just cocoa powder, regular cocoa powder. Costco, and then this I buy on Amazon. So we're gonna add all the cocoa. So this is cocoa with protein. So it's nice and good for filling you up and also good for making our smoothie nice and thick. And then we're gonna put I would say like a little more than a teaspoon. Let's do 2 teaspoons. actually, let's do a tablespoon. I want it super chocolatey. So cocoa is great for your heart chakra and your third eye. So we love cocoa, okay? And it's great for your heart. Well, not your heart, sorry. It's great for your well-being because it tastes great. That's where I was going with that. Okay, so next, if you watch my videos, you know every day is an anti-parasitic day, and I always have my diatomaceous earth. So my diatomaceous earth, I always have 2 teaspoons of it. It's an anti-parasitic, and it's also loaded with silica, so it's great for your hair. If you are new to diatomaceous earth, make sure that you buy food grade because it is also used to clean pool filters, so please don't eat that. Make sure you don't start with 2 teaspoons because this is such a powerful anti-parasitic, but because it's so powerful, you want to start slow. I've heard stories of people like throwing up by starting too high, so just start really slow and have it every day, and I promise it's going to help with your brain fog and all the yucky stuff that parasites cause. Okay, so where are we at? Spirulina. I love spirulina. It's loaded with minerals and antioxidants, and so, okay, it's a good source of protein. When you look it up, it looks like there's not that much protein, but it's more bioavailable, so it's like, it's a good source. Even though it looks like there's not that much, it's a good source of protein. It's a good source of iron. It's great for your third eye, and it's just awesome. Okay, so I put 2 teaspoons. Yay. Okay. Okay, what else? Where are we at? Okay, next, some chia seeds. I don't put a lot of chia seeds inside because I like how they taste when they're all like crunchy on top. So I put about a teaspoon of chia seeds inside just as like a nice thickener. But yeah, I like to have most of them sprinkled on top. It's a personal preference, but yeah. So we're gonna sprinkle it on top soon, you'll see. Okay, I'm missing something here. Red maca. So, great for your testosterone, great for your drive. I eat at restaurants every day, and I had so much fun. I got to see flamingos, I got to see the ocean, but I ate at restaurants all day. So, you know, usually I wake up like at 4 a.m. just super full of energy because I eat so well. But right now I'm so tired. I woke up at like 6 and I woke up tired even though I slept a lot. So I want the maca to, you know, help with my drive because maca, it helps you, you know, like follow your dreams and, you know, like do the things you want to do. And right now what I want to do is unpack and eat a lot of healthy food and get back into my routine. So yeah, red maca, I put 1 teaspoon, sorry. Everything gets linked in the bio, so check it out. If I forget anything, you guys can always write in the comments and I always add it. Yeah, so I'm missing one thing here. Great dates, yay. So I buy these dates at Costco. It's this brand. Yeah, they're organic. I always make sure something's organic before I buy it, which sometimes is like a bit of a hassle. So 4 dates, okay? Sometimes it's a bit of a hassle because I have to wait for something to be in season to get it, but I just feel more comfortable eating that way. Especially, you know, like if you're eating fruits, just make sure it's organic. That's how I see it. In the past, I was like, whatever, I'm eating a fruit, but like I'd rather not eat something that's sprayed with all that yucky stuff because at that point, like, I feel like it defeats the purpose. So yeah. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. I'm gonna add more coconut water. And then I'm gonna blend it up, and it should be super thick because of the hemp hearts and the frozen berries, it should be a super thick consistency. Yay, okay, so here she is in all her glory, my beautiful smoothie bowl. So I have the base of like the cocoa protein, yummy, iodine-rich, nutrient-rich, anti-parasitic smoothie. And then on top, I have all the fun stuff. So fun and healthy stuff. So I have strawberries for the root chakra, blueberries for the throat chakra so I can speak my truth. I have the yummy coconut for potassium and for the yummy, yummy crunch. I have hemp hearts and chia seeds for protein and all that good stuff. And then dates for energy and sweetness. So yeah, that is my amazing smoothie bowl. Super rich, super high in iodine, super high in protein, super high in minerals. So amazing for you. So yeah. Made freshly squeezed orange juice. I had to squeeze 10 oranges to make this. As you can see, I have a lot of orange peels right now. If you know anything cool to do with orange peels, let me know actually, because I have a lot right now. But yeah, so it's okay. Oranges were on sale. They're organic. We're very happy we have orange juice. So yeah, this was my breakfast. Super nutritious. I didn't have time to do a full what I eat in a day video today. If you like these shorter videos, let me know. Maybe this was like a blessing in disguise. But yeah, I just got back from vacation, so I have to I have a few appointments and I have to clean and do laundry and all that stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me while I make my breakfast. Thank you for your comments. I learn a lot from you guys too. Yeah, I really love you guys, and I'm going to devour this now because I'm so hungry. And this is actually my first breakfast I'm having in my kitchen again since vacation, so I'm really happy and excited. So yeah, I love you guys, and I will see you next time.